Woodworking edge banding is widely used in furniture manufacturing such as cabinets, doors, windows, and tables is an essential process in production. The quality of edge banding directly affects the final quality and durability of furniture. To meet the demand for high precision and high speed, WECON provides a fully automatic linear edge banding machine solution. The solution integrates the WECON Pi Series NMI, LX5S Series PLC, and LX3V Series extension modules, providing wide processing compatibility, high accuracy, and stable processing performance. The workflow is as follows. Feeding. The process panel is conveyed into the edge banding machine to begin the process. Pre-milling. Before gluing, the panel edge is pre-milled to remove burrs or irregularities, ensuring better adhesion of the banding tape. Gluing and tape feeding. Applies adhesive evenly to the panel edge, simultaneously feeds the edge banding, and automatically cuts it to the panel's length. End trimming front and rear. The front and rear ends of the banding tape are trimmed to align precisely with the panel. Rough and fine trimming. The tape edges are trimmed to fit the panel perfectly, ensuring smooth and flat edges. Tracking unit. The unit tracks the panel shape and position in real time to ensure accurate tape placement and bonding quality. Scraping. Remaining burrs and unevenness are scraped off to ensure clean and neat edges. Polishing. The banded edges are polished to enhance smoothness and appearance. This solution features a simple, user-friendly interface and a high level of automation, reducing the need for manual operation. Its precise and complete workflow ensures consistent quality and allows immediate entry into subsequent processes without waiting for glue to dry, shortening production cycles and boosting productivity. This solution can handle panels of various sizes from large cabinets to small skirting boards. Its wide processing range supports both customized and standardized production, helping businesses explore more market opportunities